Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your data layout, X in one column and Y beside it. Once done, select both columns including headers to avoid misalignment. Make sure values are numeric. If not, use value or paste special to convert. Next, note the cell ranges you will use, for example A2, A20 and B2, B20, because you'll reference them directly. This prevents range errors and speeds the calculation in the steps ahead. You now compute the slope with the built-in function. In an empty cell type equals slope, B2, B20, A2, A20, because Sheets expects known Y values first, then known X values. Once entered, press Enter and read the result. That number is the regression slope. If you want context, pair it with intercept to get the full line equation. Also, make sure both ranges have the same length. Mismatched ranges yield an error. You finish by validating the result visually and programmatically. Create a scatter chart, add a trend line, and compare its slope to the slope output so you see why the value makes sense. Once done, use array formula or filter to handle expanding datasets automatically. If you encounter errors like #div/0 or #and/a, make sure there's variance in X and remove text or empty cells.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.